Productions, the world's #1 label, brings you yet another smash hit. Turn it up!
Play that beat, gotta play that beat, gotta drive you out, so gotta make him move. Play that beat, gotta play that beat, gotta drive you out, so gotta make him move. Play that beat, gotta play that beat, gotta drive you out, so gotta make him move. Play that beat, gotta play that beat, gotta drive you out, so gotta make him move. Yo!
Yo Production.
It's so fresh.
Yo Production.
Play that beat, gotta play that beat, gotta drive you out, so gotta make him move. Play that beat, gotta play that beat, gotta drive you out, so gotta make him move.
banda toca rock y es una eterna andada. Viaja bien en onda media y en frecuencia modulada. Es un rock chiquito, tan solo algo latino. Una música que es esperanza, una música que es paciencia, como un tren que ha pasado y cargado de fruta. Tú y yo en la estación, todo el mundo en confusión. Y mi banda toca rock para quien no lo quería y para quien ese día su quimera perseguía. No me despertéis, no, todavía no, pero no frenarme, no, por favor no, no me despertéis, no, todavía no, pero no frenarme, no, por favor
La mia banda suona il rock e tutto il resto all'occorrenza. Sappiamo bene che da noi fare tutto è un'esigenza. È un rock bambino, soltanto un po' latino. Una musica che è speranza, una musica che è pazienza. È come un treno che è passato con un carico di frutti. Eravamo alla stazione, sì, ma dormivamo tutti. E la mia banda suona il rock per chi l'ha visto e per chi non c'era, e per chi quel giorno lì inseguiva una sua chimera. Oh, non svegliate, non ancora, e non fermateci, no, no, per favore no. La mia banda suona il rock e cambia faccia all'occorrenza. Da quando il trasformismo è diventato un'esigenza, ci vedrete in crinoline come brutte ballerine, ci vedrete danzare come giovani zanzare, ci vedrete alla frontiera con la macchina bloccata, ma lui ce l'avrà fatta, la musica è passata, è un rock bambino, soltanto un po' latino, viaggia senza passaporto e noi dietro col fiato corto. Lui ti penetra nei muri, ti fa breccia nella porta, ma in fondo viene a dirti che la tua anima non è morta. E non svegliate, oh, non ancora, e non fermateci, no, no, per favore no. La mia banda suona il rock ed è un'eterna partenza. Viaggia bene ad onde media, modulazione di frequenza. È un rock bambino, soltanto un po' latino. Una musica che è speranza, una musica che è pazienza. È come un treno che è passato con un carico di frutti. Eravamo alla stazione, sì, ma dormivamo tutti. E la mia banda suona il rock per chi l'ha visto e per chi non c'era, e per chi quel giorno lì inseguiva una sua chimera. Oh, non svegliate, non ancora, e non fermateci, no, 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 ah, per favore no.
Oh, what you gonna do? You wanna get down? Tell me. Oh, what you gonna do? Do you wanna get down? Oh, what you gonna do? You wanna get down? Oh, what you gonna do? You wanna get down? Tell me. Get down on it. Get down on it. Get down on it. Get down on it. Come on in. Get down on it. Get down on it. Get down on it. Get down on it. How you gonna do it if you really don't wanna dance? By standing on the wall. Get your back up off the wall. Tell me, how you gonna do it if you really don't wanna dance? By standing on the wall. Get your back up off the wall. 'Cause I heard all the people saying, get down on it. Come on and get down on it. If you really want it, get down on it. You gotta feel it. Get down on it. Get down on it. Get down on it. Come on and get down on it. Baby, baby. Get down on it. Get on it. Get down on it. I say people, what you gonna do? You gotta get on the groove if you want your body to move. Tell me, baby, how you gonna do it if you really don't wanna dance? By standing on the wall. Get your back up off the wall. Tell me, how you gonna do it if you really won't take a chance? By standing on the wall. Get your back up off the wall. 'Cause I heard all the people saying, get down on it. Get down on it. Get down on it. Get down on it. When you're dancing, get down on it. Get down on it. Get down on it. Get down on it. Sha-da-ba-da-ba-da-ba-doo. Oh, what you gonna do? Do you wanna get down? Oh, what you gonna do? Get your back up off the wall. Dance, come on. Get your back up off the wall. Dance, come on. Get down on it. Come on and get down on it. If you really want it, get down on it. You gotta feel it. Get down on it. Get down on it. Get down on it. Get down. Come on and get down on it. Baby, baby. Get down on it. Get down. Get on it. Get down on it. How you gonna do it if you really don't wanna dance? By standing on the wall. Get your back up off the wall. Tell me, baby, how you gonna do it if you really won't take a chance? By standing on the wall. Get your back up off the wall. Listen, baby, you know it. Oh, when you're dancing, yeah, you show it. Oh, when you move, 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 you know it. Oh, when you're dancing, yeah, you show it. As you move across the floor. Get down on it. Come on and get down on it. If you really want it, get down on it. You gotta feel it. Get down on it. Get down on it. Get down on it. Come on and get down on it. Baby, baby. Get down on it. Get on it. Get down on it. Sha-da-ba-da-ba-da-ba-da. Oh, what you gonna do? Do you wanna get down? Oh, what you gonna do? Get your back up off the wall. Dance, come on. Get your back up off the wall. Dance, come on. Get down on it. Come on and get down on it. If you really want it, get down on it. You gotta feel it. Get down on it. Get down on it. Get down on it. Come on and get down on it. Get down on it. Get down on it. While you're dancing, get down on it. Get down on it. Get down on it. Get down on it. Oh, 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 yeah. Get down on it. You move me, baby, when you move. Get down on it. 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 Get your back up off the wall. Get down on it. 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 Get your back up off the wall. Get down on it. Get down on it. Get down on it.
Yeah, I know what time it is. But I just had to talk to you. You know I miss you so much. And I've been thinking about you. Don't you think it's about time that we talk things over? Yeah. Never gonna give you up. We're gonna go on and on. Oh, baby. Let the music play. I just wanna dance the night away. Yeah, right here where I'm gonna stay. All night long. Please let the music play on. Just until I feel this misery is gone. Moving, kicking, grooving, keep the music strong. On and 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 on. It's just like that. My darling, I can't get enough of your love, babe. Girl, I don't know why. Can't get enough of your love, babe. Lord, some things I can't get used to. No matter how I try. It's like the more you give, the more I want. And baby, that's no lie. Oh no, babe.
Walking on a cloud, feeling proud. It happens every time. Whenever I'm with my guy, living on love, and it feels so
I know the meaning of friends. And if you ask me, you know I couldn't be much help, because a friend's somebody you judge for yourself. Some are okay and they treat you real cool, and some mistake your kindness for being a fool.
We like to be with some because they're funny. Others come around when they need some money. Some you grew up with around the way, and you're still real close to this very day.
Homeboys through the summer, winter, spring, and fall. And then there's some we wish we never knew at all. And this list goes on again and again, but these are the people that we call friends. When we first went out together, we barely knew each other. We had no intentions on becoming lovers, but in no time at all, you became my girl. Me and you, one-on-one against the world. Talking on the telephone for hours at a time, and else I was at your house or you was at mine. And then came the arguments and all kinds of problems. Besides making love, we had nothing in common. It could've lasted longer, cause it started out strong, but I guess we went about the whole thing wrong. Cause out of nowhere, it just came to an end, because we became lovers before we were friends.
Friends. How many of us have them? Friends. Ones we can depend on. Friends. How many of us have them? Friends. Before we go any further, let's be friends.
You say you and your girlfriend were so tight, you took her out with you and your guy one night. She even had a set of keys to your home, and you shared mostly everything you own.
But as she shook your hand, she stole your man, and it was done so sweet, it had to be a plan. Couldn't trust her with cheese, let alone your keys. With friends like that, you don't need enemies.
You wonder how long it was all going on, and you're still not sure if your Gladys is gone. You say, well, if she took him, he was never mine. But deep inside, you know that's just another lie.
And now you're kinda cold toward people you meet, cause of something that was done to you by some creep. But nevertheless, I'll say it again, that these are the people that we call friends.
Friends. How many of us have them? Friends. Before we go any further, let's be friends. Friends. How many of us have them? Friends. Ones we can depend on. Friends. How many of us have them? Friends. Before we go any further, let's be friends. Friends. How many of us have them? Friends. Ones we can depend on. Friends. How many of us have them?
Time is a phone.
Now the party didn't start till I walked in, and I probably won't leave until the thing ends. But in the meantime and in between time, if you work your thing, then I work mine. We came here together so we could have fun. Me and you, baby, going one-on-one. Now this is the last chance for us to get off. So either get loose or you ought to get lost. Cause I'm just about ready to do my thing, cause I'm a stone cold New York rap machine. I'ma give you what I got, and baby, that's plenty. And never has one man rock so many. I'ma make you wet and make you sweat, just to see how funky you can get. Now when I'm on the mic, I do serve well, and I go by the name of the rapper Ja Love. Now sit back, relax, put on on your headgear. Get ready for a trip through the atmosphere. Gonna take you for a ride through the twilight zone. I don't need a spaceship, I use my microphone. So hold on tight with all your might, cause I'll be rocking like this for the rest of the night. It's Jalil, your master rapper. And when I'm on the mic, it's a sheer disaster. Cause MCs crumble when we rumble. Some think I'm soft just because I'm humble. So all you MCs, I hope you're real good listeners. Cause in this battle, I'm taking no prisoners. I'm slaying MCs right on the spot. Cause I'm the master of the rap, the doctor of the rap, the jack of all trades, the master of one. And the thing I master is called having fun. We got 3 minutes left to rock this funk, to separate the good stuff from the junk. So get in the groove and feel the sound. And once you're inside, spread yourself around. From the bottom to the top, top to the bottom. Come on, Master D, get funky while we got 'em.
Me and my partner from the start, we used to get together at the dark. Sometimes we rap, sometimes we sing. In the summer or the winter, cause it ain't no thing. And every since I first came round, side by side we would throw down. We came here to this here place to serve you all right to your face. Because this jam here is our showstopper. We didn't want to use it, but I guess we got it. With the men of the hour, make the ladies scream and holler. Too hot, drop, too sweet, the beat sour. I'm gonna set the record straight, and I hope that it is not too late. If you want the best, I won't settle for less. Put your money on me, I'm your best bet. Come on, 1 for the trouble, 2 for the bass, 3 for the ladies, 4 for the play. 5 minutes of fun, this ain't no jump. So pull your bottom off the tree stump. Ladies real pretty, city to city. But now we're getting down to the nitty gritty. From the bottom to the top, top to the bottom. I'm gonna rock 'em, why I still got 'em. I'll rap and shower, has style and power. And this is our disco hour. I don't know it, all of you have heard. So it's up to me to spread the word about the man that we feel. It's got to be real. Our crown prince on the wheels of steel. He goes by the name of Grandmaster D. So if it's alright with you, it's alright with me. We're gonna rock you people's minds with ease, with some help from the maestro, if you please.
First, there was a dream. Now, there is reality.
My name is Q, Easy Q.
Who is number 1?
I am number 1.
Licensed to kill, Easy Q, Derek B. Licensed to ill on Her Majesty's secret service of rap. America, you're under attack from the crown prince of poetry. The man with the golden mic is me. You thought you'd never hear anybody with the gold, but Easy Q and Derek B got thunderballs. I'll never say never again. I'm not from Russia with love, you see I'm from England. I live and let you die, your soul will get cold. Your body paralyzed as my rhyme unfolds. $1 billion brain ticking inside my head. Like diamonds, I'm forever and I got street cred. From the East End, always say it loud. Deaf beat boy, black and proud. I'm a warrior, like Attila the Hun. That's why my posse call me Bullet from a Gun. Who's number one? Bullet from a gun. My posse having fun? Yeah, bullet from a gun. You're sure gonna get some. East London posse raving all over town. Not invited to the party, we break the door down. Cooling with my homeboys to a real lame beat. As the girlies stand around about to fall asleep. 16 strong, my posse take over. D on the decks, easy Q, my controller. All of a sudden the party starts to rock to the deaf beat sounds of my hip hop. The volume increases, your ears wanna bleed. B-boys going crazy, suckers doing speed. Fight breaks out, place gets wrecked. Don't bother me, boy, you'll only get picked out. At the speed of light, we came to party, not to fight. So the fridge gets raided, brewing tenants gone. The quiet storm rocking, the Sensi smells strong. Chandelier shaking, speakers start to pop. The amps overload, the party's gotta stop. A roar from the posse with the gold around their neck. Each one against the wall with a girlie in check. Me, the game's over in one. We're out of here like a bullet from a gun. Who's number one? Bullet from a gun. My posse having fun? Yeah, bullet from a gun. You're sure gonna get some. Who's number one? Bullet from a gun. My posse having fun? Yeah, bullet from a gun. You're sure gonna get some. Word. Take a trip to a park to see an MC battle. Hot sunny day, skeezers like cattle. The EL posse all over the place. Like government agents, no time to waste. Standing in the corner with my arms crossed. Laughing at the rapper who just lost. Sucker take a nap, and I guess it's kinda funny. Cause he's rapping for nothing while I'm making the money. Younger comes over and asks me what he has to do to get all the way to the top. I said, I'm a fate to the top. I said, I'm a funky junkie of the hip-hop sound. I take the shit serious, no messing around. My rhyme's like a bull, and oh so strong. I wear the freshest clothes like Louis Vuitton. I get to jams early, you get there late. Then set up code ambush on the 808. I'm a bro, and when it's time to go, I make sure I let the people know who's running the show. When I'm on the mic, I make sure I rock the rave. Make the girlies go crazy, throw their panties on stage. One more thing while you're listening, son. Make sure the rap's delivered like a bullet from a gun. Who's number one? Bullet from a gun. My posse having fun? Yeah, bullet from a gun. You're sure gonna get some. What's that? Who's number one? Bullet from a gun. My posse having fun? Yeah, bullet from a gun. You're sure gonna get some. That's right, I am number one, and I'm here to stay. Ain't going no place, no way. One more time. Who's number one? Bullet from a gun. My posse having fun? Yeah, bullet from a gun. You're sure gonna get some. Yeah, that sounds good to me. You like that? Yeah! Okay, let's chill. Mary, Mary, why you bugging? Mary, Mary, I need your hugging. How's my girl called her honey? Mad that she spent up all my money. Catch me in debt, you and your girl Chrissy. Stop smoking crack, but you're still getting pissy. You can call me every day, God sent. Like you Lois Lane and I was Clark Kent. I stand and I stand and he spent and he spent. Now my house with a mouse is a roach with a tent. Mary, Mary, why you
bugging, what's wrong with you?
Mary, why you bugging? Mary, I need your hugging.
Now, this girl Mary I knew so well. I met her on the road to Fly Hotel, high on a hill that never fell.
Clubs and the pubs is where she dwells.
Story about Mary was well to tell. She seemed to scheme for a dream to sell. She spent some nights locked in a cell. I knew Mary well cause she's raising hell.
Mary, why you bugging? Mary, I need your hugging.
It's not Mary who is quite contrary. Talk about Mary who is always in a hurry. The things she needed weren't necessary. She did not need a busted cherry. Cute and blue just like a blueberry. Ask if you crazy and I'll say very. Living in a house that's out on the prairie. I worry about Mary cause Mary is scary.
Mary, why you bugging? Mary, I need your hugging. Mary, why you bugging? Mary, I need your hugging. Mary, why you bugging?
Space for your face, London! Everybody in the house make some noise! I want everybody in the house to say ho! Yo, Chuck, kick it to him, man.
A ballad behind bars, or you could say real rock from the rock. An unusual musical happening in a most unusual place. The state prison
I got a letter from the government the other day. I opened and read it. It said they were suckers. They wanted me for their army or whatever. Picture me giving a damn. I said never. Here's a land that never gave a damn about a brother like me and myself because they never did. I wasn't with it, but just that very minute it occurred to me. The suckers had authority. Cold sweating as I dwell in my cell. How long has it been? They got me sitting in a state pen. I gotta get out, but that thought was thought before. I contemplated a plan on the cell floor. I'm not a fugitive on the run, but a brother like me begun to be another one. Public enemy serving time, they drew the line, y'all. They criticized me for some crime. Nevertheless, they could not understand that I'm a black man, and I can never be a veteran. On the streets of situations unreal, I got a raw deal, so I'm looking for the steel.
Hey, yo, Chuck, you serious? You in the justice, man?
Word 'em up, I'm looking for that steel.
Yo, man, we gonna break you out of there, man. We ain't going out like that, man.
Don't you know, they got me rotten in the time that I'm serving. Telling you what happened the same time they're throwing. 4 of us packed in a cell like slaves. Oh well, the same motherfucker got us living in his hell. You have to realize what is the form of slavery organized under a swarm of devils. Straight up, word 'em up on the level. The reasons are several, most of them federal. Here's my plan anyway, and I say I got gusto, but only some I can trust. Yo, some do a bid from 1 to 10, but I never did, and plus I never been. I'm on a tier with no tears should ever fall. Cell blocked and locked, I never clock it, y'all. Cause time and time again, time they got me serving to those of them. I'm not a citizen, but ever when I catch the CO, sleeping on the job I'm playing is on go ahead. I wanna speak, but I'ma tell you the deal. I got nothing to lose, cause I'm going for the steel.
Hey, yo, Chuck, we gonna break you out of here, man. Words of strength, G.
I'm going for that steel.
Word up, G. They tryna put a black eye in the game by keeping you in there, you know what I'm saying? But they can't keep a good man down.
Got it, got it, got it, got it, got it, got it, got me in the stuff.
Hey, yo, Chuck, we got the... Yo, hey, don't
along with the time they served. Decency was deserved. To understand my demands, I gave a warning. I wanted the governor, y'all, and plus the warden to know that I was innocent. Because I'm militant, posing a threat, you better fucking up the government. My plan said I had to get out and break north. Just like Oliver's next, I had to get off. My boys had the feds in check, they couldn't try nothing. We had a force to instigate a prison riot. This what it takes for peace, so I just took a piece. Black for black, it's my time to cut the leash. Freedom to get out to the ghetto, no sellout. 6 COs we got, we ought to put their head out. But I'll give them a chance, cause I'm civilized. As for rest of the world, they can't realize a cell is hell. I'm a rebel, so I rebel. Between bars, got me thinking like an animal. Got a woman CO to call me a copter. She tried to get away, and I popped her twice, right? Now I wanna get nice. I had 6 COs, and now it's 5 to go, and I'm serious. Call me delirious, but I'm still a captive. I gotta rap this time to break as time grows intense. I got my steel in my right hand. Now I'm looking for the fence.
Hey, yo, Chuck, we got the dope plan in effect. G, word to the stuff, man.
I'm looking for that fence.
Word, I got the 98 5C, Professor Good for the S1. Yo, Chuck, we coming, man.
As I ventured into the courtyard, followed by 52 brothers, bruised, battered, and scarred, but hard. Going out with a bang, ready to bang out. The power from the sky, from the tower, shots rang out. A high number is dose, yes, it's something close. I figure I trigger my steel stand and hold my post. This is what I mean, an anti-nigga machine. If I come out alive, then they won't come clean. Then I threw up, my steel bullets flew up. Into my surprise, the wall and tower blew up. Who shot what, who, what, the bazooka was who? Into my rescue, it was the S1W. Secure my getaway, so I just got away. The joint broke from the black smoke. Then they thought it was rougher than the average bluffer. Cause the steel was black, the attitude exact. Now the chase is on, telling you to come on. 53 brothers on the run, and we are gone.
Yeah!